Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Welcome everybody to PH and Technology Private Limited. Today we are going to learn what is C programming. Now, before learning any of the programming languages, you first need to know what is exactly a computer program is. Now let's see. Computer program is nothing but a set of instructions or a collection of instructions which is given to a computer to perform a particular task. Let's say for example, this is my number 1, this is my number 2. I want to do the addition of these two numbers so that an answer of these two numbers will get created. Now what will I do? I will take these two numbers and give it to my computer. Now my computer will perform the addition and will create a third number, that is the answer of the two numbers. Now I have given the instructions, that is my set of instructions, to the computer. But computer won't understand my language, that is I am talking in English. This language is not understandable by the computer. So now what we'll do? For that we need to program this program, that is the addition of two numbers. We need to program it in a computer language, and this computer language is known as programming language. For example, Java, C, C++, Python, etc. Now this is what is programming. This was your basic. What is programs, what is programming languages, etc. Now let's see why and how C programming language came into picture. That is, let's see what is the history of C programming language. Firstly, a BCPL language was developed. BCPL language, that is Basic Combined Programming Language. Now this BCPL language was my main language. Through this BCPL language, my B language was derived. And through this B language, my C language was derived. So, this B language was first developed in 1969, whereas the C language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thomas at Bell Labs. So, this was when and where the C language was invented. Now, why the C language was needed and why was it developed? So, basically, B language was a very successful language on its own, but it was lacking a main features, that was its disadvantages. It was lacking the features of data structures and data types and structures. This B language therefore was modified into C language by Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thomas at Bell Labs. This was all over how and when the C language was created and why it was created.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.